How to fix Crunchyroll app login problem. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are having trouble logging to the Crunchyroll app, don't worry, you are not alone. And I have got some quick fixes to help get you back to streaming. So let's get started. First, make sure your username and password are correct. It sounds simple, but sometimes a quick check can make all the difference. If you forgot your password, just tap forgot password on the login screen and follow the steps to reset it. Next, clear cache. For Android users, clearing the app's cache can help. Go to settings, tap on application, then go to Crunchyroll, tap storage and then hit clear cache. For iPhone users, just delete and reinstall the app to clear any old data. Next, update the Crunchyroll app. An outdated app can cause login issues, so make sure your Crunchyroll app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if any updates are available. Next, check internet connection. Sometimes login issues are due to connectivity problems. Ensure you have a stable internet connection by operating another app or website to confirm. Next, restart your device. Lastly, if none of these steps work, restart your device. This can often fix any minor glitches causing login problems. And that's it. Hopefully one of these fixes helped you log back into Crunchyroll. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.